Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of data structures. In the previous session, we have seen how to delete a node from the beginning of the list, and in this session now we are going to see how to delete a node from the end of the list. So let me show my PPT. After completion of this session, the learner will be able to know how to delete a node at the end of the list. So for deletion at the end of the list, what we have to do, this node should be deleted. The last node, that is the tail node, should be deleted. We already know that always the first node will be the head node and the last node will be the tail node. For this, what we have to do to delete the tail node, the last but one node should be the tail node, and this should be marked as null. For that, what we have to do, to go to the last node, we have to move from first node to the second node to the third node, and third node to the last node. So initially I'm making the current head node as the present head node as current node. By the help of the statement, I'm making the head node as current node. Then what I'm doing again, if I want to move from first step to second node, and second node to third node to the last node, I'm using the while loop. Now, initially, current link is not equal to tail. The current 1008 is not tail. So what I'm doing, I'm moving the current link from first link to the second link by the help of the statement current equal to current link. Again, the same while statement repeats, current link not equal to tail. Here the current node is there. Current link 1012. Is this tail node? No. So what we do, we move the current node from this part to this part. Now this is the current node. Again, we are checking current node, current link not equals to tail. What is a current link? 1016. It is tail address. So what we do, we exit from the loop, and here we have the current node. Now what I'm doing, I'm making this current link as null. Current link as null. So automatically the connection between these two nodes get deleted. Next, but before that, what I have to do, I have to make this tail as the last but one node. For that, I'm using this statement, tail equals to current. See how it happens. See, this is actual node. After first step, what I'm doing, initially the current node was here. In the next step, the current is moving to this place. Again, it is moving to this place. Again, I'm making this as null, and now this is the current node, and this becomes the tail node. And at last, I will be deleting this node. Here is the source code of it. Initially, if I'm trying to delete a node from the empty list, it shows that the list is empty. When it is empty, if the head is null. When is head is null, if there are no nodes in the list. If there are some nodes in the list, then we go for the else statement. Initially, we are making the head node as current node. That is, this is the current node. Next, by using this while loop, we are moving from first node to second node and second node to the third node. Then when we reach this third node, we are making this current link as null so that the link between these two nodes get disconnected, and by the help of this statement, I am making this as tail node. Finally, this node gets deleted from the list. This is how we can delete a node from the end of the list. I hope everyone understood this session, that deletion of a node from the end of the list. We'll meet again with some other operation in the next session. Thank you.